ऑलराइट भाइयों, कैसे हैं आप लोग सारे। ये गेम वहीं से कंटिन्यू हुई है जहाँ पे पहले थी, और यहाँ पे हम कुछ ढूंढ रहे थे ना
Jesus, that house is huge. That lady really knew how to
कि
live. It's like the Chateau de Adler.
Yeah. Cool.
चुप रहे भाई, चुप रहे, बोल मत ज्यादा। ओके, ये चलो भैया ढूंढे कहाँ पे है चाबी बोट की। क्यों ना पहले मैं यहीं जाके देख लूं, ये खुलेगा पहले यहाँ पे। लास्ट टाइम तो चाबी यहीं से निकाली थी। ओए खुल गया। बस यहाँ से चाबी दे देनी है मैंने, डेस्कटॉप में है।
Huh. Ren,
यहीं से
you were
चाबी
right.
रखूँ, लास्ट टाइम यही थी।
There's like a ledger here. The Adler family does own the island. And here's a combination for a padlock to a chest is all it says. 29, 18, 54.
A chest? Have you seen one yet?
हाँ हाँ यही है बैंगन, आजा पीछे पीछे आजा चुपचाप।
Well, I guess let's just keep looking.
सबसे ऊपर चेस्ट पड़ी है एटिक में, वहाँ जाके खोल के, इतने में खोलूंगा इतने में सारे बेहोश हो जाएंगे।
Oh,
यही है कहानी।
it's like a
और
boat
कुछ
that needs keys. There are no oars.
And before we go crazy, it wasn't with Maggie's stuff back at the office, like with the radio?
No, we checked everything.
Huh. Well,
What's plain?
It's a radio lock. The woman sure did love her antiquated security.
अरे यार यहाँ पे रेडियो निकालो, ऊँची करूँ आवाज थोड़ी। मिल जाए यार, ये बड़ा असर दर्द है ये। कूं कहाँ हुई जा रही है, रेडियो नहीं मिल रहा भाई। लास्ट टाइम तो मिल गया था बहुत जल्दी। पता नहीं भाई क्या चक्कर है बिल्कुल जरा। मिल जा भाई। गाने चल रहे हैं, लॉक नहीं खुल रहा।
that is a nifty gizmo.
मिल गया भाई, शुक्र है। उठ जा भाई, इधर कैसे बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे।
Carissa,
Oh, God, you
Jesus.
scared me. Thought you were like Maggie Adler's dead body or something.
How would that make sense?
I don't know. I'm in like a heightened state right now. Are you okay, Clarissa?
I feel like
सबसे
I've aged
ऊपर
10
है यहाँ
years,
पे
but
भी।
for the time being, let's go with fine. You look sprightly as ever.
What is that supposed to mean?
Look, Clarissa's here, so everyone's here now. We can just Everyone's okay,
बंद करो
right?
बकवास.
That's a good
Yeah,
thing.
let's just find the keys to the boat or a phone or whatever
चुप
and
हो
just find our way
जाओ.
home. I promise. We can all
हमारी
keep
बातों के
talking.
चक्कर में काम
Fine.
खराब हो रखा है.
Okay, let's focus up.
Everybody find something and hope that it helps.
Pull a string.
Oh, that's an attic? Thought it was like a cat's toy or something.
यहीं से जाना है ऊपर. यहाँ है chest. यहाँ चाबी
Ooh,
है.
you know what? This might be the chest that takes that combination. 29, 18, 54. It's a lot of radios and those containers we saw at the town office. Oh, and like
चाबी
a
भी
map
है,
of the
चाबी भी है.
caverns. She's written here, tune into the source.
What do you think that means? She couldn't have known about the ghosts, right? I just really don't
पता
get
नहीं.
it. Is this... Ah,
तू
the
ढूंढ.
boat keys. Got 'em.
Perfecto.
All right, we got keys for the boat.
Where?
बस अब हो जाएगा बैंगड़ यहाँ पे. आ जाएगी फिर से वो भूत. और सारी गेम रुक जाएगी यहाँ पे. अरे हो दे.
Alex. Oh, Alex.
हो गया ना फिर.
Come down here,
Alex.
please.
बन गया बैंगड़ अपना.
Oh, just come down and we'll drink to our future. Come down, okay? It'll be all right, I promise.
क्या हो रहा है ये?
Nona, come on,
Nonne,
honey. It's
खड़ी
time
हो.
to motor. Ren, are you all right? We're in a time loop thing.
टाइम लूप में फिर फंस गए. समय की यात्रा.
Come on, Jonas. Up and
जोने
at 'em.
उठ. जोना भी सो
There
रहा
you
है.
are. Now we imagine you're a bit confused. But don't fret. This will be the final part of your training, Alex.
All training is supervised by very skilled instructors.
Training. I don't want to be trained. What are you?
You signed up for this, Alexandra. In the caverns, you tuned in to our signal. So please, I cannot bear your excuses, offspring. You walked in here
How was I meant to know what the hell was gonna happen?
and yet, without understanding your footing, you still acted. But don't worry. The test is easy. We will speak of something we see in the house, and you will go and find it. See? As simple and good-humored as your mother's apple pie.
What is it with you guys and all the games? You're like dogs or children. Just what is the point?
The point, dear, the point is that they were never games, and you can figure that out by your lonesome. Now, let's start with the softball. I spy, with my little eye, radiation. There is, of course, a time limit here. So, 10, 9, 8.
चल यार.
Is it?
TV.
Are you talking about the TV?
Very good. Well done. The older models emitted X-rays. But right now, you'd be wise to think of radiation
in another sense. Pay attention.
What does this have to do with us? I mean, we're not.
I spy.
With my little eye, a notch. Let's make this a little harder, okay?
8,
7,
6,
5,
4, 3.
2, 1.
Alexandra, what a disappointment you've turned out to be.
अबे यार.
Don't just stop, please. Don't do anything to him.
Oh, your new brother. Gone to first light. It's time for the bonus round, Alex, so stay quick.
This is one you really want to
Find. I spy.
क्या चक्कर है यार ये?
with my little eye, a picture of a memory.
Be fast now.
5 little ducks went out one day.
Over the hills and far away.
Mommy duck called quack, quack, quack. But 4.
Portrait.
The picture of I guess it's Maggie, Adler, and somebody. Is this it?
Yes, very.
Very nice.
That's
Margaret Adler and her friend Anna. See, you and your schoolyard chums are experiencing, well, this has sort of happened before. Maggie and Anna tried to sport with us many years ago, and, well, only one survived. And in the
मन तो कर रहा
process,
गुद्दी
we
ना
discovered
पूछ
a way for us to return, so to speak. It just takes a little time. And a far-reaching tolerance for the ignorant.
Wait, what? What happened to Anna?
Let's leave it at
बाहर निकल यार यहाँ
Didn't
से
know what she was playing with. It doesn't matter. They're not an eternal recurrence. The waves. It's the waves, we think. And we will use those waves to absorb into your friends as sunlight blooms into flowers. And we will grow. And we will engulf.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा बोलते चलो अपने आप
We tried it too quickly with Anna, but now we know to wait and soak. We had to keep you here on the island. And it will be a great honor, Alex, really, to carry us through this life. And on to the next.
नहीं भाई कुछ नहीं बोलना मैंने यहाँ से बाहर निकाला
Muscle
मुझे
attached on our rocks. We had until dawn, and so will you. We would spend our time wisely. And we thank you for your good service.
ये क्या किया इसने यार फिर फंसा दिया यही फंसा है इस गेम में आधी चीजें तो ना अपने आप ही चली जा रही है जिसमें मेरा तो कुछ है ही नहीं रोल उसने निकाल तो दिया अब ये जाना कहाँ पे है बाहर चले जाएगा वो चारों कहाँ चले गए
Tell Michael he should go to school here.
ठीक है मैंने बोला नहीं कुछ देखता हूँ क्या चलता है आगे अच्छा इससे ठीक होएगा हो गई सही ऊपर से सही होगा टैप रिकॉर्ड पड़ा हुआ ना इसको घुमाता हूँ तभी सही होता है टेप प्लेयर हो गया सही हो जा सही यार यहाँ से भी नहीं हुआ सही ये हाँ ये आवाज आ रही है इससे हो जाएगा सही क्या पता
So we can go on. I think I'm gonna be sick.
Me first.
It wasn't a dream or a vision or something. You and Clarissa standing in the living room just now, was it?
Ugh.
Clarissa?
Oh, and by the way, next time, put some actual effort into the game, pretty please. It felt like someone was shoving spiders down my throat.
She, tried, kinda.
आ जाओ भाई चलें बोट पे अब
So, I mean, Christ. If Clarissa was whisked away to the cave by nuclear submarine monsters, then... I mean, the plan has to be to retrieve her,
Want to see
right?
if it'll start?
Not really.
Yeah?
क्यों
Right?
Clarissa is only like one slice of the problem. We're all infected or whatever, so we need to rip the issue off like a bandage all at once.
Okay, great, yeah. But how do we do that?
Well,
करना कैसे
good question.
To be honest, I don't really have a clue, but it's, you know,
Alright, then it's settled. We'll go into the cave and get Clarissa back while we think about how to, like, not get body swapped in the meantime. Well, if we're going to the cave... Oh, actually, I forgot. I saw the entrance has been caved in since you guys went inside.
Alright, I know there are a whole bunch of secret communist bomb-fearing tunnels dug into this place during the 1950s. And Maggie has loads of film about military stuff in her basement, so...
Maybe there's a way back into the cave through one of those, you're thinking?
Let's take a look.
What kind
अब
of
ये
name
कहाँ
is
जा रही है फिर
Epiphany
दोबारा?
Fields anyway? Wait, is it Epiphany?
It's,
Oh, Epiphany. That makes more sense.
भाई जबरदस्ती गेम बनाई है मैं सच बताऊं किसी पार्ट पे तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे अब फिर दोबारा उसी मैप में जाओ फिर इधर जाओ फिर इधर जाओ ये आगे की तरफ बढ़नी चाहिए ना यार। चलो भाई चले अंदर। क्या है यहाँ पे? कुछ भी नहीं है भाई यहाँ पे।